Okay, everybody, I'm taking a look at the outline for the discussion for Module 2. I want to make sure we clarify some things so that you're good to go. All right, number one, it says to keep a log of all the numbers you encounter throughout a day, and hopefully you encounter numbers on multiple different facets. If you're watching television, when you're driving around town, look for signs, look for streets, look for those types of things, house addresses, all those things. One of the things I like to cite as an example for students is taking a look at a gas station sign and look closely, because it might say $1.95, but then look again, see if there's another number after that, and what type of number is that going to be. It also says, make sure you use your list to write the post, but do not post your list. Incorporate them as examples. You know what I mean? Like, use it, the number, let's say you were cooking and then a recipe asks for 3/4 of a cup of sugar. You would use that 3/4 in terms of an example of a rational number because it's a fraction. Were there any numbers that surprised you? This is an unusual question. You can elaborate on this. You can talk about how you didn't expect to come across that type of number. You can discuss the frequency of them and how often they showed up. The most interesting number you encountered and why. Anything you're looking to do. Were you able to identify a number in each of the 6 sets above? So remember, you're looking through the natural numbers, the whole numbers, distinguish between them, the integers, the rationals, the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are going to be hard because generally they're hard to find in the real world unless you're using them for measurement and the real numbers, which incorporates everything. Things can fall into different categories. All right, so for example, the number 6 falls into different categories. Now, the second part of this, and some people failed to do this last week, is be sure to respond to at least 2 of your peers' discussion posts. Review their posts and check that the set they provide is identified correctly. So you are self-checking each other, not to mock, just question. If you feel someone misplaced a number, it's for their benefit that you point that out. And make sure it's 2 people. Some people didn't respond at all. Last week you had to respond to 1. This week you need to respond to 2, and it needs to go beyond good job. You need to, the point of these discussions is for you to extend the conversation so that you get a better fundamental understanding of the existence of these numbers in the real world. All right, so I hope this helps. Be well and have a good week, and I'll be posting during the week.